I wanted to make a video with my son moving around, but my camera won't shake. That's why I wanted to buy a gimbal. Let's unbox this. There are two set of packages inside this box, this hard case and this cardboard box. Let's open this cardboard box first. This is the USB cable for charging the device. I'm assuming this is the tripod stand. Let's open this package to see it. Yes, this is the tripod stand. There is the wrist strap, and let's see what's inside this package. It's a storage pouch with the product's name on it. These are the manuals and safety instructions and warranty card. These are the anti-slip guards. Let's open the main package, this big box. This is the gimbal storage box with the product's name on it. Let's open it. So this is the gimbal. I bought this product after watching many videos on YouTube like you did before you came to this video. I wanted to make a review video of it after unboxing it, but I could not do it because this product is not compatible with my device. As it turns out, all reviewers on YouTube and elsewhere are not providing all the informations. They're saying all the good stuff about the product and they're leaving out the most important thing. This product will not work if the DJI Mimo app is not running on your device. In order to download this app, you have to go to the website. The link is in the description below, also on this video. Go to this link and download this app. This app is not available on Google Play, not at least in my country, India. So go to this link and download this app, and only if this software is running on your device, this product is going to work. If it's not working on your device, don't buy this product. This product has a very good reputation, but I cannot say this is a good product or not because I could not use it. This is the fault of the reviewers and not fault of the company. The reviewers have failed to provide the right information available to us consumers so that we can make the right decisions. In future, hopefully, the reviewers can provide all the information available to the consumers so that they can make the right decisions. And maybe DJI can make products which are compatible with all devices. And maybe in future, I'll buy one of them and finally use them. So that's all for today. See you next week. I got a refund.